I'm Dr. Ashley Blaske, and I am a pediatric and adult rheumatologist. I am working for ETSU Health in the internal medicine practice and at the pediatric subspecialty office in Johnson City. I am the only pediatric rheumatologist east of Nashville, and I'm the first dually board certified pediatric and adult rheumatologist in the state of Tennessee. A rheumatologist takes care of patients who have autoimmune disease, and what that means is diseases that attack yourself, so auto, and your immune system is actually designed to fight off the bad guys like viruses and bacteria, but for whatever reason your immune system got revved up and starts attacking yourself. And I use medications in my practice to bring down that immune system, make it less overactive. So the difference between pediatric and adult rheumatology for me is there aren't too many differences, meaning because the way I was trained, I take care of children and adults. I became a doctor because I have a passion for helping people, and I've always known I wanted to be a doctor, and there's nothing that I feel like I could do that would help people in a better way than being a physician. So I chose to become a rheumatologist because of the fascination of the diseases that I take care of. Our diseases are often very mysterious and difficult to diagnose. It's almost like putting together puzzle pieces to come up with a diagnosis and treatment plan. The most rewarding part of my job is building relationships with patients long-term and watching them get better with appropriate medical care. My overarching goal for my patients is for them to live their best life, and we would work together as a team to make sure that their disease is well controlled so that it does not interfere with their everyday life and all of their aspirations and dreams. My ideal day at work is seeing a whole bunch of patients, both new patients and established patients who have chronic diseases, some of which I'll be diagnosing for the first time, and coming up with a good treatment plan to help make them feel better. So in order to become a pediatric and adult rheumatologist, I went through extensive medical training. After 4 years of medical school, I did 4 years of a combined residency called internal medicine and pediatrics. Then I did an additional 4 years of adult rheumatology and pediatric rheumatology to become the first dually board certified adult and pediatric rheumatologist in the state of Tennessee. Being an expert on both ends of the age spectrum has its benefits. So I'm comfortable taking care of those adolescents who adult providers are not comfortable managing their diseases. And I'm comfortable taking care of the young adults who pediatric providers are not comfortable taking care of. And put it all together, and I'm happy to take care of all patients regardless of their age. I love living in the Appalachian Highlands. It's an easy place to live, the people are friendly, and the natural beauty is unbeaten. I really enjoy hiking and gardening and biking, and all of that is just right out my back door. Hi, I'm Dr. Blaske. Thank you for spending some time with me. I look forward to seeing you in our ETSU Health Clinic.